Into politics, the national chairman of the All Progressives Congress, Adamas Oshiomhole, has read a riot act to the newly elected members of the House of Representatives on the choice of leadership for the 9th Assembly. He stressed that there should be no division in choosing the leadership of the House. Correspondent Habida Lawal has more.
The last time we saw you was either when you came for clearance or when somebody took you to court.
The party chairman's meeting with newly elected members of the House of Representatives under the platform of the party is loaded with meaning. It is no surprise that it warns against division as regards the constitution of the House leadership, considering what took place when the leadership of the current 8th Assembly was to emerge. It said extensive consultations will be made with President Muhammadu Buhari and other party leaders to ensure cohesion and support for the party's candidate in the election of leadership of the 9th National Assembly.
The challenge of ensuring that this time around, we ensure that we have a leadership of the National Assembly that shares the vision of the executive. Although we speak to separation of powers, but only separation of powers. There is only one government. And unless the various arms pursue the same agenda, it is difficult for the executive to fulfill its promise.
Reacting, some of the lawmakers who spoke pledged their undivided loyalty to the blueprint of the ruling party in the discharge of their legislative duties.
The leadership of the National Assembly this time around will be determined by the ruling party. We are 224 in number. That is more than the 181 that is required to provide leadership. We will provide leadership that will see the executive as partners in progress.
The leadership that will emerge will have a very good respect for each and every member that is equal to the task.
The APC, like I've said, under the leadership of Adamas Oshiomhole, having had this meeting, it's like they have exhibited all tendency to keep a united family and with a very, very, very proactive mission of avoiding the mistakes of the past.
The meeting went into a closed-door session where the party impressed it on all its members to ensure it occupies critical positions in the lower chamber. Habida Lawal, TVC News, Abuja.